No pass alkaline, a people in a teacher class.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
People are gone. You don't know Media Fox, no man. Yeah, man. You know what things said? Yes, people, big up everybody. You see me, you know the things said, and yeah, man, we have to talk something, you know. I wanna forget. You see? Yeah, man. We are call out Spice. You see? Come on, want people forgot what go on. Zane, just Spice, come here. You remember after you do Rampage shop? People, I'm gonna post up a picture. Zane, yeah, we're gonna talk to Spice today. Spice, look on them picture. Remember them artists, huh? Yes, Spice. Remember after Rampage shop? Remember after Rampage shop, you know? After that, you know? Nothing nah, go on. See? Remember, you know? You see him boss. We all give praises, you know? Remember say, if you got boy, you put your one side.
Subscribe now.
You know what him do? You see them artists work so?
Subscribe.
Remember?
No.
And them artists, huh? They that sit down for your career. Him boss. Some female artists. Carrying some female artists in their business. Make everybody forget about you. You understand? Forget about you. After Rampage shop worse, Rampage shop the song they get a little flag. For most new people them. Remember the man? You see it? Nothing nah go on. You see you don't know. Ladies are they do her thing. Way. You that try. You get your number one. But after that, nothing never really did it. You understand? But all after that, you never like what go on. You never like what go on. Come in by now, he's a person, you know, you alone want to eat the cake. You see me? So you never like what really go on. You see me? And you see your boss about pay female artist and nah give strength. Strength done. Him not see you no more. You see me? Kawa? Maybe you nah flow the right way, you want your flow. So maybe nah give you back your energy.
Subscribe now.
See?
What me say?
Spice.
Subscribe. No.
I go put up a next picture. Remember say, other youth save you and give back a moment in the dancehall space when your boss fling you one side. Nobody now meds you. See youth when him in a fame uprise when your boss in a prison. See him? And him come give a collab. Look on the picture. You saw you smile. You get to highlight everything. Alkaline and mash up the place. You saw that smile. Remember say after Rampage shop you never that smile so. You see it? Because you have 5 artists to face. Where they run the boss and do him thing. No slack no they feel. But remember when Alkaline boss, they never like him. You understand? Because he never forward under the Gaza camp. You understand? He never forward under the Gaza camp. So you see what I want? And you say, yo, who will give me the highlight? Because my time I run out. You know what you gotta do? Same youth. That same youth yeah, where you go up on stage. Go this.
The dance just artists where they are wrote. When if you compare Alkaline, the body student to the world mass teacher.
This was the same youth. But give you back a forward in the business. After you get bench one side. Sheba. Gaza Kim. Gaza Slim. Gaza Indio. Gaza Moment. There was no Spice. But you run to Alkaline. See him? Remember him the hot at the moment. Remember you know? For sure you. This the youth and everything. Remember this. The youth could have said, yo, no. Cause your boss I try this the thing. But what? Man, look out for people, look out for youths. Man, give a collab. Bad song. So I mash up the place.
Subscribe
everything.
now.
See?
What me say?
When such man in
Subscribe.
prison now,
No.
nothing nah go on for him. After that, when I know what go on, ladies I say, yo, me I pack up, you know, me I go gospel, you know. Turn my life into the Lord. You understand? Yeah, man. At them time there, you could have forward to the forefront. After ladies, because you couldn't dominate the ladies that do dancehall. You couldn't. You understand? So you know it's alright. You start going with a little thing you know. See? When such man see same thing, a water down in a one moment there. Him draw back for you. Write your song. Say, yo, me and more me I sing this. Give me back a forward. Cause it's a go over people, you know. But I'm coming to talk facts. Remember about maybe like 2 or 3 songs. Right. And you do them. See? Because you don't know, you know, one thing with you. You promote your thing them. See? You promote your song them and everything. So you don't know when you're such man, when you need back your forward now. See? Because remember, you know, after that, after Alkaline give you your forward. See? When I know what story up and where this brother come from. See? But I feel like say it's a stunt to the pull. Because at that time, you have to show a Gaza, you have to show such man say, look here. When the time I say to the youth, you know, I do me and him look Calaban thing. When the time I say so. Something have to story up to make it look like say this in one. So some artists come out and talk about big very spicy and very never Alkaline that. So when that do, that start up a moment to make it look like say, yo, Alkaline this you.
And tell me when every time I know spice. You remember the song with the guy where me tell you, oh, you remember the song where him say who sing it? Where the boy when named Fabian and me organize it. When Fabian interpret for Spice answer back, me are the mastermind behind it. Because I was remember.
See? So you could have go back to your boss. Because you have to show him say you're loyal to the thing. You see me? Which you not really loyal when all that thing stay ready. You understand? Because at that time, when you Alka do the Calaban thing, if you're the real loyal, you wouldn't do the collab with Alkaline. You understand? Because in that moment when they try to compare and bring down Alka you still go to the collab because you love the strength. See? After that now, when I know who job song and this you jump ready. And things say you're Alkaline, you have a this and Ray, and this back, you want back his space with your boss. You see me? Right song, give everything way. Because, no for you know. See? Because we know why you even loyal over the years, you know. Promote him, Ray. Because you know him did that for the road. If you know him never did that for the road, you will really happy. Push your energy there. It show you from the get-go. Alkaline thing expose you. Because if you did loyal, you wouldn't do no collab. Is what I'm trying to say. But coming up to 2025 now, your boss for the road. You don't know. First performance on stage after 13 years. See? Remember no Spice. You forward up on the stage. See? Remember you know. You think that water down, you know. See? You try a thing, you know. See? Because no, such man think that water down too, so he couldn't help you. You see me? You know nothing for piggyback pan. You see me? Because no for yourself no sell out, you know. To reach far. You see me? But when you sell out don't know, you don't have nothing for piggyback pan. See? So after you think water down now, way. If you go up on the stage, you know. Remember, you know. If you just go up on the stage and perform and Ray, nobody wouldn't highlight nothing you do. But know that, because them know you stay already. You mix up drama and one bag of something. But you go up on the stage. Because you know, if I'm Kartel forward out, them been a tie Alkaline, name Alkaline. So you know what you do? You go up on the stage. You say you drop lyrics and one bag of Ray. See? You talk about how to compare Alkaline, Ray, this, that. But we all know from Alkaline boss, it wasn't Alkaline people that compare with Kartel. And Uno. Because Uno say Alkaline thief man style and Ray. And never Alkaline and get up and say, yo, and come out and say, yo, thief Kartel style, you know. And Uno. So anybody feel compare Uno. See? So you come out and make a big statement. You get your forward. Same like when you get your forward, when your Gaza boss fling you one side and start busting others artists.
Subscribe now.
And Alkaline get you forward.
Let me say.
You come out and
Subscribe now.
You do the same thing. But remember this. Remember where you come from. Never you diss the hands you feed you. You understand? Because remember I said that was your biggest forward on the stage when you call Alkaline name. That was your biggest forward you get when you call Alkaline name. Is what I'm trying to say? So it show you how you stay. Because you are going to say, how people compare Alkaline. Him are the student with Spice. When the boss dash you one side. See? When your boss dash you one side. Was Alkaline a student? Back then, where you run to? I'm ask you again. Was Alkaline the student? Back then, where you run to and get collab with? See? Cause this is the thing, you know. Me I go play a clip. See? Somebody when they run you, but usually they run you and do everything. Him attack. Him with the round you know what go on. But he there round you and everything. And him a make everything flow for you and ray. You see? Listen to that clip here.
But say when
Subscribe
Kartel
now.
that blood clot prison,
Promise it.
I remember say Spice and
Subscribe
Alkaline
now.
do collab, me was behind it. This is when I was leading Spice to cut off Gaza. This is when Gaza da jail. This is when me I said denounce the Gaza man, I could build a different empire. I'm bringing the apprentice in at the place.
So, this is the thing, people. What she do up on the stage, fine. You get your forward on every little thing, ray. But remember this. We don't know who forgot. But Spice, remember? They usually do a 50 show, man. And then think the 50 show you do a ray. Remember after that, you not really do no show like that what you usually do back then. You think get water down. See? Same boss who you rain for years that him come save you back now. I put you up on show. But look here, knowing them man they only use you. You understand? For they run him. For you highlight him. You see after all the shows
Subscribe
and everything.
now.
Yeah, go back to school.
Promise it.
So just want to enjoy the
Subscribe
moment.
now.
Can I tell you already? All I know is this Alkaline. When the time is coming. You understand why for that? But when the time we perish there around the corner. Because remember say in our own art. Zane on no Alkaline doing nothing. But because you want to give such man the strength in where you know if this Alka if he really look on up on a different level. You see me? But we don't want to go on. We see all of them in the comments, everything with Alkaline post, we post about Alkaline. See your man them when they run your boss, I comment on that. But no one sit down and talk about the vendetta about. But it's fine, that's how it go. But remember what you do. Can't rub out. You understand? Remember what you do, can't rub out. You see it? Yeah, man. Because enough of you sell out to reach or no reach. Never generally reach there. And fight out a lot of youth. Fight out enough people out of the game for gain the fame. You understand? But look here, what you put out there in the atmosphere, it have a rebound back to all the way you do or whatsoever. Remember that day go forward. You understand? And the same youth Alkaline. One of this over the years. We don't see nothing yet. We go feel a way. Wish when they are part of the success. You tell you no.
Subscribe now.
Such man thing about
Promise
to
it.
pack up now. You
Subscribe
understand?
now.
After I'm world tour, I eat that. You should have the world tour already, but you know the disadvantage me lock up for 13 years. So that could go on. But you see all after the show and get thing gone back to square one, then you're not going to see the real outcome. You understand? Because everything in life in the last forever. You see me? And remember say the youths are the future. You see it? Yeah man. Remember say the youths are the future. So all I want to do for this Alka, you're not going to see the rebound. Yeah man. But you don't know the things set, you know. Yeah man. Big up everybody, you don't know the things set. Don't know me the facts, that is it.